Good day, Mr. Raf Mbechi, Public Affairs Analyst. What's your reaction this morning? There's a latest development on the U.S. government making a categorical statement about the illegal detention of Nnamdi Kanu by the federal government. And of course, the news also emerged that they have started playing a kind of movement in the United Nations trying to encourage bilateral that will support Biafran restoration fully. You know, and on discovery of that, the federal government has been jittery over that issue. Are we seeing Biafrans celebrating over that development?
Thank you so much. That was a release I read some 2-3 days ago from Phoenix. Breaking news that America is warning Tinubu's regime over illegal detention of Nnamdi Kanu. America was of the opinion that after invasion of Nnamdi Kanu's compound in 2017, Nigeria has never seen its right to come out with a fact, reasons why someone that did not just break bail but escaped what for his life was being incarcerated, maltreated, even upon the fact that the court has given their own verdict. They still allow this man to be languishing in jail. America was lamenting 2-3 days ago when I was going on through Phoenix, publicity that Nnamdi Kanu is illegally being detained by Tinubu administration. America is warning this government to leave Nnamdi Kanu alone. That the man, they accuse him of terrorism while he did not. America streamlined their point, the reason why the southeastern youth are running guns and arms in the southeastern Nigeria. Because of incessant killings and mowing down the people of that region with bullets. These youths, they decided to do what? Arm themselves in self-defense. Then America now is, allying with other NATO countries. I've been telling it to one of the media platform here. I've been telling it that the reason why it is good for Canada to recognize Biafra is that Canada is the headquarters of NATO, not Atlantic Treaty Organization. All the member nations of NATO, if Canada could recognize Biafra, it means what? A walkover. One-way trafficator to get the support and nod or recognition of all the NATO countries around the world. It is a welcome idea. Simon Ekpa has taken a gigantic step. Yes, to put pressure on Canada to make sure that they have what? Diplomatic tie with Biafra, straight ahead, unnegotiable. See, let me tell you, America is doing their homework well. I think Nnamdi Kanu is not going to be only discharged and acquitted or rendered back to Nairobi the way they abducted him to Nigeria here, but going to work out with what? Biafra referendum, unchallenged. Because United States, is the watchdog of the world. It's not a criminality country. They make sure that every part of the world there is peace. Though they have been accused by the likes of Nigeria, the likes of all those double standard African countries who are being used by Britain to neo-colonize Africa, that America is a police, fake police, of the world, as they were accused by Femi Adochin, I think, Shehu Kuti has been rubbishing the Biafra image, accusing Simon Ekpa and Nnamdi Kanu of all criminality. Just a son of chain smoker, a junk. See, I replied on social media platform, Phoenix, that you should shut up your mouth. You are a son of a junkie. Though I have respect for your father, but you yourself, you are more or less a junkie than Fela Nicola Okuti, who was singing, who was using his music to send to the whole world good message.
But you forget that his father also did not believe in Nigeria and declared Kalakuta Republic.
Yes.
Shehu Kuti and Nnamdi Kanu can never be in this level.
Never.
Shehu Kuti is playing ethnicity.
Oh my God, Shehu Kuti is a fugitive. Yes, Shehu Kuti is just like Cain. When Cain killed his brother Abel and God cursed him, and Cain started what? Loafing around, wandering all over the earth. And God issued warning against anybody that might lay his hand on Cain. How the punishment will be double on that person. Shehu Kuti has nothing to do to match with, to equate with what Nnamdi Kanu represent in our society.
In Africa.
Shehu Kuti, whose his father fought for Calcutta Republic in the early 70s, has the effrontery to be saying bad thing against Biafra. Let me tell you, Ewedu and Amala
has destroyed his brain.
Because Shehu Kuti, I know, his fathers, they migrated from Brazil. The Kuti family, originally, they are not Nigerians. They are the Yorubas that trace their roots from Caribbean island. And it all goes well with the people around this area. See, let me tell you, Ransom Kuti, the former health minister, late, Beko, his father, okay, the reason well. But if you look at Cheung, from Amala to Ewedu to local Akara to Igbo, Chewu is thinking like more or less a bushman. It's not reasoning well. And let me tell you the fact. I see the young man as someone that is, you know, graduated from university, but by men judging from all his character traits,
he plays ethnicity, tribalism.
They have given him breast from Yoruba land. Shehu Kuti is a tribal bigot, and he should close his acid-filled mouth.
With his
he has no
POP
oh my God,
on his mouth.
We can never equate both personality at all. Nnamdi Kanu gaps him up, Simon Ekpa gaps him up in terms of whom you are.
Maybe he's jealous of Nnamdi Kanu because the whole world is talking about him now.
Oh my God.
The Americans are celebrating him. The Russian president has also made a similar move in that regard.
Tinubu has been visiting Chirai, doing the normal. So now, Shehu Kuti will not see anything good in Nnamdi Kanu. See, let me tell you, those are the kind of youths Nigeria is having. See, it cannot do us good. Let us join hands together and make sure that Biafra girls, you Yoruba people, fight for your Oduduwa Republic. It's not a question of putting army uniform and attack Shehu Makinde in his office. We've never done it like that before. Use this. This is what is giving us the victory over this Nigerian nation. And surely, I'm telling you, Biafra is going to emancipate willy-nilly. That is under compulsion, compulsorily. Because we know the game we are playing, we know what we are doing, and the whole world has accepted us. The most peaceful agitation in the world, Biafra agitation.
Thank you.
They will do well in the convention. All the music composed or written by these two musical maestros, they are going to at least all go well within that contest or enclavement called Biafra. I would like to hear these people sing a new song, liberty song, freedom song, a song that is going to lift the spirit of the Biafrans. All the Southern Easterners, they will all welcome their songs. Think about what they said or sang about who Ikon saw, the Biafran hero that was murdered by Buhari administration. All went down for nothing, no justice, because we are Igbos. That is called Igbo hate. Ikon saw was killed, abused, and denied his right as an Igbo man, and nothing court has ever done about it because of what? All are based on Igbo hate. They hate Igbo, but we are waxing strong. They should go there and know how to coin out a better musical, to make sure that Biafra is raised from death. It's not death, it's sleeping. Death is quite different from sleep. It's a slip of tongue. So the convention is going to hold in Finland, and we are going to take the whole world by surprise. No matter what the criminality country called Nigeria is doing right now, whatever they do, whatever scheme, craft they come out with, the God of Abiyama is scattering it, putting confusion in their midst, raining hailstone from heaven to make mild, to pulverize and destroy the enemies, and just let not even one soul out of them will escape. Biafra is on course. Emancipation of the first Jewish black state is at hand, and we are going to get it.
Thank you. There is a massive investment by the Igbo billionaires, an indication that any moment from now, we are going to see the kingdom land. Ibeto is building the largest terminal in Port Harcourt port, that has been termed as the largest terminal, seaport in Africa.
Thank you so much. You've not even said it all, but I just want to wade in. I want to cut you in because you have never heard of #1 made automobile tire made in Igbo land. It is on course. It is filtrated all over social media now. It it has gone viral. Made in what? Abia State, the first made in Nigeria tire. We are the owner. I don't mean Michelin. Michelin were invited over. They are not Nigerian company. This one is Igbo tire. They circulate it on social media, very strong. Gram, made in Aba. So we are coming. Igbo billionaires, they have woken up. Why? Because of Tinubu's unrepentant hate against Igbo man. If I narrate this just small statement I just made now, if I just expatiate it, you will find out that Igbos are generally hated in Nigeria. Sure. Igbos are generally hated, universally hated by other tribes in Nigeria, except our brothers in the South. Are you listening to me? So, made in Igbo land products are being circulated all over social media. Number one is tire. After tire, what else do we have to get there? Don't forget that we have tiles, we have Indomie, and other homewares that are going on in Igbo land now. Whatever they use, their toilet soap is being manufactured by Igbo man. Our cheat, aluminum cheat, they are being manufactured in Igbo land. Those ones, we are no longer advertising them because they are household names in the southeastern Nigeria and they are not new to us. What is so paramount now is made in Igbo land. Tire. The billionaires in Igbo land, in America, in Europe, living in Europe all over the world, they are coming back home to bring their investment home. That kingdom, as you said, I think Igbo land will be very soon become a kingdom. Because we will stand what? Aside so far from Nigeria to do what? To write our narratives too well. We are going to invite China, Japanese and other Asian tigers to join forces with us and make sure that Igbo land is an investment land. Thank you so much.
Thank you.